Good morning, chemistry students. I hope you're having a fantastic week. It is single displacement week, and it is not over, so don't start getting upset that this greatest week of the year is almost over. It is not. We've got several days left. Today, we're going to finish up 8-13I. Be sure you're taking your time and you're understanding the assignment. The goal is to understand the concepts, not to just get it done and submit it. There are help videos for 8-13I, so if you're not sure what you're doing, take a look at the help videos, recordings 28, 29, and 30. Also, if you have any questions that aren't covered in the help videos, don't hesitate to email me those questions and we will get that taken care of. Tomorrow and Friday, 2-day lab on single displacement reactions. And then Monday, be ready, we will assess what we learned this week. Today, instead of having a thought of the day, we are going to have a song of the day. Many of you know I like to play music between classes. I kind of miss doing that, so instead of a thought of the day, we're going to have a song of the day. Maybe you can figure out what it is based on the background to this template. Have a great day. Again, email any questions you have. We'll get that stuff taken care of. I'm hoping you're understanding, and we will see you.